Hi everyone, I'm Cyberjani Galamba. Our topic of today is stability information. Stability diagrams. It's help visualizing the ship's stability under different loading conditions. There are three curves. 1. GZ curve, Keane curve, and hydrostatic curve. GZ curve or right arm curve shows the right arm the viscous angles of the heel. A larger area under the curve means better stability. K-in curve or cross curve stability used to determine GZ values when the center of gravity is known. Hydrostatic curve provide data such as a draft and metastatic height GM for various draft. Trim. It's a gift for an art inclusions of the visuals. Trim base of the distribution of weight along the ship's length. They are used to calculate how to draft at bow and the stern changes with loading. Determine how to shift a cargo of blasting after bringing the ship to an even keel disturbed turn. Stress. It shows how limited bending moments are the shear force acting on the ship's structure at various load conditions. There are the two diagrams, bending moments diagram and the shear force diagram. Bending moment diagram ensure the ship hull is not over stressed due to the improper loading. Shear force diagram identify potential structural weaknesses, especially at midship. Using stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables enables the officer of the engineers to keep the ship stable and upright, maintain ship strength to fuel efficiency and maneuverability, avoid hull damage due to overloading or uneven weight distribution.